kids. Today we will begin to learn Unit 9, New Sounds. Open your book on page 78. Listen, point, and repeat. Before we begin in learning in our book, please listen to this short song.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter U. This is a capital U. This is a lowercase u. You know how the U looks now. Let's make the letter U sound. Yeah! U is for uncle. U is for umbrella. U is for underneath. And U is for up. U is for upset. And U is for umpire. You know some new words now. Let's make the letter U sound. Your turn. U.
Now let's begin. A plus N is on. Next, A plus B is ob. Next, A plus G is og. On page 78, the bottom part, match and write. Number 1, S plus on is sun. Number 2, R plus up is rub. Number 3, B plus og is bug. On page 79, say and write the words. Number 1, S, U, N, sun. Number 2, B, U, N, bun. Number 3, R, U, B, rub. Number 4, C, U, B, cub. Number 5, B, U, G, bug.